Todd has requested the famous butt adjustment. All right, this is where I take the gluteus maximus right here. As you can see, mine is very nice, and I'm going to put it right here in the curve of Todd's butt, or not butt, back. My butt is going to go on the. This is a nice adjustment because the butt fits perfectly into the lumbar spine right here. Okay. Yeah, and so we're going to adjust like the mid to lower back right here with the butt. So we're going to come right here, right there, and